You're deep in a task with Codex or Claude Code, and then you have reached your usage limit. No warning, no countdown, no idea when the window resets. So you sit and wait, or you switch tools and lose your place. CodexBar is a tiny macOS menu bar app that keeps every AI coding limit visible. One glance shows how much of each provider you have used, and a countdown to when each window resets. Codex, Claude, Cursor, Gemini, Copilot, and 50 more. Install is the first one. Brew, install, cast CodexBar, then open settings providers and enable the ones you use. It reuses the sessions you already have, your CLI logins, browser cookies, or API keys. No new account and no password stored. Here's the payoff. Each provider shows its session, weekly, and monthly windows with a countdown to the next reset. So you plan the long task around the window instead of guessing whether you will hit the wall halfway through. For API-backed providers, it also pulls credit balances and spend, OpenAI dashboards, Claude, OpenRouter, and more, where the source exposes enough detail. So the amount you are burning sits in the menu bar, right next to the limits. It scales too. Provider status polling puts an incident badge on the bar icon when something is down. Merge icons mode collapses more than 50 providers into one item with a switcher. Refresh presets from 1 to 15 minutes. And a bundle command line tool for scripts and continuous integration. CodexBar is privacy first. It parses on device by default, browser cookies are opt-in, and it never crawls your disk. It reads a few known locations only when you enable that provider. macOS 14 and up, MIT licensed, by Peter Steinberger. Get it at codexbar.app and start it on GitHub.